Hello and welcome to my video on how to solve the Pyraminx. We'll be solving it in 3 simple steps. Let's start off with some Pyraminx knowledge. First, you'll need to know some of the pieces. On a side, you'll have 3 different pieces. You'll have 3 points, that's this one here, and this one here. Then you'll have 3 centres, that's this one, and this one. Then you'll have 3 edges as well, which will be this one here, that one, and that one. Okay, so the first step is to get 3 of the same colour centre. So all of these 3 have to be the same colour. So I usually do it by looking at the top colour here, which in my case is green. And then what I do is I turn the sides like this until I get that same colour. So green, red, no. Green, blue, no. Green, yellow, no. So that green's not going to work. So I'm going to turn the top like that. And now I've got red. So red, yellow, no. Red, red, yep. So now I'm going to move on to this side and I'm going to go red, yellow, no. Red, green, no. Red, blue, no. So final one, I've got blue. I've got blue here. So I'm going to have to try this side. Blue, blue and blue. And then you meant to turn all these points so they're blue as well. But for me, they already are. Okay, this time I'm going to do another example. This time with green. So I've got green here. I'm going to look at this colour. I've got blue, so I'm going to turn it. So that's green, red, no. Green, green, yes. I'm going to turn this side now. Green, green, green. So that's all 3 centred the same colour. So now I'm just going to turn the points like that until they're all the same colour as well. Okay, so here's our Pyraminx. We're going to be solving the red side first, and we're going to look, so we've got the 3 centres and the 3 points matched up. So what we're going to do now is going to put the red side on the bottom. We don't want to look at it. Then what you want to do is you want to look at these layers. So at the bottom here you've got layer 1, then you've got layer 2, and then finally you've got the point at the top. That's the point, that's layer 2, and the bottom layer there. What you want to do is you want to look for, because we're doing the red side, a red piece on this middle layer here. So I'm going to look around until I find a red piece. So here we go, we've got one straight away. We've got red and green. So what we want to do is we want to match not the red but the green with its side. So we know when it's the side when they've got the 2 centres already there. So this is the yellow side because it's got 2 yellow centres. This is the green side because it's got 2 green centres, and this is the blue side because it's got 2 blue centres. So when we do this one, we want to find the green side, which is this one, because it has 2 green centres, and we want to match our green and red piece up with that side like that. So you've got green here, green, 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 and we don't want to look at our red, so that's hidden now. It's just here, and what we want to do is, because it's on this side, we want to bring this corner up like that, bring this side across like this so that these reds all match up, and then put this side back down like that. Then we want to do the same thing, so look for another red piece on the top layer. So I can see one back here. We have a red and a yellow. So a yellow, not red, because red's the sides we're solving. We're going to match the yellow with the yellow side like this. Then we're going to, because the red's on this side, bring this corner up like that. Bring the red across like this, so that all these reds match up. And then bring that side back down like that. Then look for another red piece. So I've got another one here, so we've got red and blue. Match the blue up with the blue side, like that. And that's actually another side solved. And we've got red on this side again, so we're going to go away with the other side. Turn the top to match up the red, and that red side back down. And there we have our red side solved. We also have this bottom layer all done as well. And then we'll do another example. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've solved the blue side, but for these 2 edge pieces, and that's what we're going to be solving now. So because I'm solving the blue side, I'm going to put this blue side here on the bottom. And I'm going to look for a blue piece on the middle layer. So again, we've got the bottom layer, the middle layer, and the point. So we're going to look for it on the middle layer. So I've got a blue piece here. So I've got blue and red. And we're going to match the red up with the red side because it's a blue and red piece. Blue's on the bottom and red's the other colour. So red is going to match up with this red side because it's got these two centres here, and we're going to match it up like this. So we've got our red and blue piece here, and we've got the red and the blue, and we don't want to look at the blue, we want to match up the red instead like that. So we've got red here, and red here, and then because the blue is on this side, we're going to go back with the other side like this, and then turn the top. So if I turn it this way, these colours don't match up, so I've got red and blue. But if I turn it the other way like this, these colours do match up. I've got a whole blue bar here, and then I can put it back down. I'm going to repeat that, so I'm going to get another blue piece. So this time, however, I don't have a blue piece on this middle layer here. Instead, there's one here, and there's one here. So when you got it like that, I'm going to take a blue piece out from here, I think. So you just have to look at your side like this, and have it in the middle, and then you want to go back, towards, and down. So it doesn't matter which way you do it. You could go back with this side, towards and down, but you just want to get it out onto the middle layer like that. And then again, we've got blue yellow, so we need to match the yellow here with the yellow side because we've got these two yellow centres and it's full yellow bar. Now our piece is blue and yellow, and we don't want to look at the blue. Blue's on this side, so we have to go up with this side, back, across like this, so these colours match. But also, if you want to double check, these colours also match. Because if it was this piece, this is a full bar, so why isn't it that? If you turn it around here, you've got green, and then you've got yellow. So green and yellow aren't good, so we need to have this blue piece. And then we're going to put this blue bar, this yellow bar, and we're going to put it back down under there. Now we've got this final blue piece to put in. It's on the middle layer, luckily. And it's a blue and a green, so we're going to match the green up with the green side like this. So green, two green centres, that's the green side. It's on this side, so we're going to go back, towards, and down. And we've got this blue side solved, and then I'll show you the final step. Okay, so we've got our final step of solving the Pyraminx. After we've solved our blue side and this bottom layer here, we just have to solve this top bit here. And to do that, all you want to do is turn this top until you've got these three colours matching. So I've turned it like this, so I've got green, 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 yellow, 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 and red, red, red. And then you're just going to do exactly what we've done. So rewind the video if you want to, or just watch what I do now, and you basically want to repeat solving the sides until it's solved. So it won't take very long. Currently I've solved this blue side, and I'm going to pick yellow. It's completely random. You don't have, there's no specific side, there's no advantage of picking either side. You just pick any side, so I'm going to pick yellow, and I'm going to put that on the bottom. And then I'm going to look for a piece with yellow on, because it's yellow that we're solving. So I've got here a yellow and a green. So I'm going to match green up with the green side. Yellow's on this side, so back, towards, and down. So if I'm going a bit fast, just rewind the video so you can watch me do the slower version, but I'm just showing you how you quickly do it. I've got a yellow and red piece, red matched up with the red side, because yellow's on this side, back, towards, and down. Now when you see this pattern, where you've got your side, you've got the bottom layer, you've got the top point, and you've got just these two pieces around here, you only have to solve one more side, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to just pick green, and I'm going to put green on the bottom. Now I have to look for a green piece, so I've got here a green and a blue. I'm going to match the blue with the blue side, so blue, these two blue centres, and the yellow's on, the green is on this side, so we're going to go back with that side, towards, and down. Now when another green piece, I've got a green and a red. Red's already matched up with this side, green's on this side, back, towards, and down. Now when you've got this, you just have to turn the top and it should be solved. And that is how you solve the Pyraminx.